Hello, this is the part second scapula, means the attachment related to the scapula, muscles attachment related to the scapula. So, discuss will one by one attachment on the anterior aspect or anterior surface of the on the scapula. First, this is the subscapular fossa. The subscapular fossa will provide the attachment of the subscapular muscles. So here is the subscapular muscles. This is the subscapular muscle. Subscapular muscles attached on the subscapular fossa. Now second muscles on the anterior aspect start from the superior angle to the inferior angle on the medial border. So this is the serratus anterior. The serratus anterior inserted on the medial border costal surface from the superior angle to the inferior angle. So here is a serratus anterior. Serratus anterior again inserted on the medial border costal surface from the superior angle to the inferior angle. So this is attachment on the costal surface. Now attachment on the dorsal surface. Attachment on the dorsal surface. This is the supraspinatus fossa. Supraspinatus fossa will provide the attachment or provide the origin of the supraspinatus muscle. So here is the supraspinatus muscles. Now this is the infraspinatus fossa. This is the infraspinatus fossa will provide the attachment of the infraspinatus fossa, infraspinatus muscle. Means the infraspinatus fossa will provide the origin of infraspinatus muscles. Okay, so here is just infraspinatus muscle. Infraspinatus muscles arises from the infraspinatus fossa, or supraspinatus muscles arises from the supraspinatus fossa. So this is the attachment on the two fossa. This is the supraspinatus fossa and this is the infraspinatus. Now attachment on the lateral border, or sorry, medial border and dorsal surface. Now this is the medial border or insertion border. So here is a three muscles from above downward. First is levator scapulae. Here is the rhomboideus major and here is rhomboideus minor, and here is a rhomboideus major. So we'll discuss one by one. First is levator scapulae. Levator scapulae inserted on the medial border dorsal surface from the superior angle to the base of the spinous process. So this is the levator scapulae. Now the second is rhomboideus minor. Rhomboideus minor is a muscle inserted just opposite to the base of the root of the spinous process. So here is the rhomboideus minor. So this is the rhomboideus minor. Third is the rhomboideus major. Rhomboideus major inserted on the medial border dorsal surface from the base of the or root of the spinous process to the inferior angle. So here is this is the rhomboideus major. This is the rhomboid. So on the dorsal surface medial border, here are the three muscles from above downward. First, this is the levator scapulae. Start from the superior angle to the base of the or root of the spinous process. Now second muscle, this is the second muscles. This is the triangular muscle, triangular impression just opposite to the base of the spinous process. This is the rhomboideus minor. Now third is the rhomboideus major. Rhomboideus major start from the base of the spinous process to the inferior angle on the dorsal surface medial border. So this is the attachment on the medial border dorsal surface. Now attachment on the lateral border dorsal surface. Here is the two muscles. These are the teres minor and teres major. So this is the lateral border dorsal surface. So here is the two muscles. Upper 2/3 of lateral border dorsal surface will provide the attachment or will provide the origin of the teres minor muscles. Or now second one is lower 1/3 or lower 1/3 lateral border dorsal surface. Here is the origin of the teres major. So upper 2/3 dorsal surface lateral border will provide the origin of the teres minor, and the lower border lower part dorsal surface lateral border will provide the origin of teres major. Now attachment on the coracoid process. This is the coracoid process or worm like or finger folding like process or anterior-most process. It has the two border. This is the medial border. This is the lateral border, supromedial surface, infralateral surface. So we'll discuss attachment at the tip of coracoid process. Here is the two muscles, attachment of the two muscles. One is the short head of biceps brachii, the origin of the short head of biceps brachii, and second is, here is the coracobrachialis muscle. So these two muscles arise, or two muscles get origin from the tip of the coracoid process. One is the short head of biceps brachii, and second is the coracobrachialis. Now third muscles will take insertion from the superior surface. This is the pectoralis minor. This is the pectoralis muscle. So here is the three muscles, two origin, and one insertion. Two origin, one is the coracobrachialis, and second is the short head of biceps brachii. And one insertion, this is the insertion of the pectoralis minor. So this is the attachment regarding to the coracoid process. Now attachment on the spinous process. The spinous process has the three border. One is the lateral toward the glenoid cavity. One is the anterior. This is the attached border, and one is the posterior border or free border. The posterior border has the two lip. This is the upper lip and this is the lower lip. So the upper lip and this is upper lip and medial border. Upper lip and medial border